So what I've done here to make use of the little space in the center console of a Silverado between 2003 and 2007, there used to be a little space here where you could put CDs or any other kind of junk you wanted to. I was trying to think of a way to place a switch box in this truck, and with the center console the way it is, it just didn't allow for much room. So I come up with this idea. I took a piece of diamond plate that I got from Lowe's. I think it's like 1.5 feet to 2 feet by 2 feet, something like that. And I just measured out a piece to fit right along in here. Got 4 switches. You can get them at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts or wherever your local parts dealer is. They should have these little rocker switches, and they have one little LED light at the top of them to show that they're activated. The way I've got it worked here, this switch right here runs right to my mobile radio, powers up my mobile radio. This right here powers the front lights on the windshield up here. You can kind of see them working right there. This switch right here is supposed to work the grill lights, but right now I don't have them installed, so it's just kind of an open switch right now. It's not even powered. And then this light, this switch right here, works the back lights. You can kind of see them flashing right there. It works the back lights. And that's the switch box that I made for my 2005 Chevrolet Silverado.